So today we're looking at some of your fitness journeys and transformation results. It's been a while. My 6-month transformation results. Oh my goodness, look at her. That's 2 months, that's not even 6 months yet. Are you guys seeing this? Like, is this the same person? Wow, I'm speechless.
Hi friends, this is my 3-month results videos to show my progress on my journey so far. Everyone has been so supportive and kind on my daily shorts videos and in these results videos, so I'd like to thank everyone who has stopped by and left a nice comment or a thumbs up or subscribed to show their support. I wasn't expecting anyone would even see my videos to begin with, so it's been a pleasant surprise. When I started this journey, my BMI was 34.5, which put me at risk of many obesity-related illnesses. I was having a lot of joint pain, heart palpitations. I felt sick all the time and was very uncomfortable in my clothes because even though they fit, there were always places where they were too tight and would pinch me or restrict my movement. By the end of April, my BMI has reached 26.4, which is getting very near the green range. Remember, just being a healthy BMI doesn't mean you're healthy. You need to have plenty of exercise and fresh air, nourishing food, and try to avoid excesses of things that may not serve your body, like processed food, stress, and alcohol. These are all things I am working on to try to change my lifestyle and habits so that I could be healthier moving forward.
I'm on her YouTube channel now, and she has been posting a shorts video every day for 136 days. Wow. This is a day 1 and day 132. So she ain't far from her 6-month goal, and she's already looking amazing. Like, I'm speechless. Yeah, so if you guys want some motivation, here you go. This is what you call dedication. I can't seem to find her name on her channel, but thank you so much for following my workouts. It means so much to me to see that you're happier, healthier, and you're stronger. Just seeing this one person benefiting from my workouts just cancels out all the negative stuff that I have to deal with as a creator. So thank you so much guys for following my workouts. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. She only has 2 more months to go, so I can't wait to see how she progresses. If you guys want to send her some love and follow her journey, please check out the links in the description.
Hey guys, my name is Rosie. I am here to share my successful weight loss journey with you guys. How I got from this to this.
Wow, look at that guys, look at her abs.
My weight loss journey began back in 2020 and I was 74 kilograms at that time, and that was the highest I've ever been. I'm 37 years old and a mom of 2, so I thought my journey might inspire somebody, especially if you're struggling to bounce back to your former body after childbirth. Then this video is for you.
That must be inspiring for some of you guys to hear. I can't speak for myself because I've never gotten pregnant before. Women's bodies go through a lot. Like, even without pregnancy, like, our menstrual cycle really screws us up. So I think this is proof right here that it's possible to bounce back. Take your time.
So the first thing I did was correcting my diet. I just followed a strict diet plan for 6 months and managed to get rid of 12 kilograms within that period. I also lost muscle mass during the process, and this is why it's very crucial to incorporate diet with physical activity. Diet alone with zero physical activity won't give you a healthy result, and vice versa. During this time, a close friend of mine sent me the link of clothing workout videos. At first, when I decided to start the challenge, I just went through some of the videos and I thought it was going to be super easy. I even pictured myself getting through all the reps just like that, but when I actually started, I got the shock of my life. I thought about quitting like every 2 minutes, but I knew I had to push on in order to get the result I wanted, and that's all about building discipline, right? But throughout the course, I started feeling my body getting stronger and stronger every day. I was no longer feeling the pain and gradually saw a huge difference in my body, which served me as a motivation to go on. That is when I wanted to challenge myself more, so I built dumbbells at home using cement and started working out.
Cement!
And guys, these are my dumbbells, deadlifts and kettlebells I use for my workouts. They might not look expensive or fancy, but they do serve the same purpose as the one you find in the gym. The highest weight I have so far is 25 kilograms, and I'm building some more to have a variety.
This is a work of art, guys. And that dumbbell over there looks like it was made using the mold of a Coke bottle.
If you're watching this, I want you to know that I'm a big fan of yours, for all the work you do and how much you inspire so many of us out here. Sending big love all the way from Nairobi, Kenya.
Thank thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's really crazy to know that my videos reach people halfway around the world. But yeah, thanks Rosie. I'm really so proud of her. So yeah, check out her channel and her fitness journey.
One of the goals I set for my This Time Next Year challenge was to be in the best shape of my life. Ambitious. I want my body to be strong. I want my body to be healthy. I want to feel fit. I want consistency, because in the past I've struggled with my body issues. I've talked about it. I've done the yo-yo diets. I've done all the unhealthy stuff. I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to build healthy, sustainable habits. I want to feel good. I want to feel really good and really healthy. I want to be able to do 10 push-ups. So I decided that I would start doing Chloe Ting workouts again. And this is how 4 months of Chloe Ting workouts went for me.
You can really feel her passion and energy in this. Like, she's been through struggles and she really wants this to be in the best shape of her life.
I kicked things off with the 2019 2-week shred. It is the OG Chloe Ting workout and I loved this one. It was going great for the first few days, but then 3 days in and I'm already taking a break. It took nearly a month to get through the 2019 2-week shred because I took a trip and then I got COVID. Then I moved on to the 2020 2-week shred and this was no freaking joke. It's so much harder than the 2019 2-week shred. I mean, what even is this? My abs hurt just looking at this.
It's not so bad, guys. Like, some people say my workouts are too easy, you know. 2020 2-week shred is definitely harder than 2019 2-week shred.
Okay, some of you are just here to see the before and after transformation. Now, I don't have any before and after figures that I can share with you, like my weight or my measurements, but I think even just by looking at the video footage, you can see that there's a big difference between the way I look now and the way I looked when I first started this big old Chloe Ting challenge. And honestly, I've seen improvements in every single area, like my fitness, my strength, my clothes fit better, I feel more confident. And what I loved about doing this over 4 months is that I really found a way to make these programs sustainable and fit with my lifestyle. Each of those 2-week shred programs took me closer to a month to finish. I made the programs fit to my lifestyle and that made it a lot more sustainable for me. So this is something that I definitely want to take into the rest of 2023. I can keep this up. I enjoy this and I'm enjoying seeing those small wins and those victories. And a quick caveat, don't compare your progress to my progress or anyone else's progress for that matter. You might be looking at my results and thinking that they suck compared to yours. We're all so different. We have different lives, different circumstances, different bodies. All you really need to ask yourself is, am I trying my best? And if the answer is yes, then you win.
It's a really important point she's making. Don't compare yourself with anyone else. Like, everyone is on their own fitness journey and it's gonna be different. You gotta figure out what works for you, and what's really important is consistency. She did 4 2-week programs and that's supposed to take 2 months, but she took 4 months. And you know what? That's totally okay. You gotta be realistic with what you can do and what you can commit based on your current lifestyle. Once you get that consistency going, you can start doing more intense or harder programs, incorporating weights and making tweaks to your diet. A fitness journey is not just a 2-week, 3-week, a month journey. I've been on my fitness journey for a long time now, many years. And there are times that I'm way more into it. I'll be lifting more weights, and there are times that I'll be doing more body weight workouts. You gotta do something that you enjoy and change it up if you want to. Your fitness goals also change over time. As long as you are learning and improving yourself over time, it's all good, guys. In her case, she's getting stronger, she's building a habit to be a healthier version of herself, and I think that's the most important thing right here. Alright, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed these fitness journeys, check out my Discord, as there's a lot of inspiring people on my server sharing the results, so check it out. And I've got a new program coming up next week, and I really like this program, so you all need to jump on this. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is the new program. Okay, jump on it. Yes. Okay, bye bye. Love you guys.